Hi, girl.
Hello everyone, my name is Gennady Glushkov and
Hola.
I want to show you my first game prototype, Offroad Extreme. This game was written 2 years ago and based on LibGDX and Box2D. It was written in second course of university when I started to learn game development. Such small buttons is because of Windows render, LibGDX is cross-platform framework engine. Uh, on Android, all looks good, actually. Let's talk about main menu. So here you can see logo, social buttons, which is disabled now because it's a Windows preview. About button, sorry for green color of font, but it's just a test. So settings, let's enable our music. Play button, which leads to level menu. You can switch between one level because it's just a preview. So next button leads to our garage where we can see our buggies. So this is first one, hard suspension buggy, and very fast. Our menu, resume button, menu button, and let's actually try our game with second one. Here we bought it and we can upgrade it a bit, so let's play. Here we can see that our suspension is a little bit softer, so let's talk about controls. So here we can see speed of our buggy. In low it's limited by 20 kilometers per hour. In four-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive it's different. So rear-wheel drive is fastest mode of the vehicle. So let's talk about our controller. Here we can see four-wheel drive enabled by default, rear-wheel drive where only rear wheel works, and low. So low is low speed, high torque mode, where car is most controllable and most off-road actually. Here we can see that buttons works actually with touch and our handbrake. So let's try to play a bit with our level. So here I will stop and enable low suspension because it's mud and rocks and it's hard to and impossible to cross if we will stop here, or we'll work with different mode. So I can show you that it's impossible to cross. Aha, no. Let's try here. So you can see that it's really hard and it's really so let's go forward. You can see how suspension works in Box2D. So let's cross. Here we have mud and rocks again, and we should cross it carefully. So actually the main goal of this game is to show off-road, how it's hard to cross, how it's hard to drive it. So it's something like a hill climb, but it's a bit harder because of different modes, different terrain types, and so on. So This is the end of my level. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe. Don't hesitate to write comments and ask me something about LibGDX game development and so on. Thank you very much for your attention, and bye.